a destroyed Hino truck with ripped tires, burnt shells, and bent chassis. Most people would look at this and say, it's irreparable, but these crazy geniuses from PK Amazing Skills think otherwise. They had a good look at this disaster and said, let's give it a shot. This is bravery at its peak, but can they really give this truck a second chance at life? Only time will tell. This back-breaking project got off to a mysterious start. A side loader truck offloaded the wreck and vanished. No backstory, no side details. Not even a hint about how the demolished trailer was found. It was like the opening scene of a crime thriller movie with plenty of suspense and unanswered questions. But it was quite interesting because they didn't need to say much about the challenges either. It was glaring for everyone to see. Here's where the real challenge begins, because apart from mending damaged components, the restorers have to source for relevant spare parts to replace what's completely missing or beyond saving. And that adds more twists and uncertainty to an already difficult situation. To kickstart the process, they yanked off the battered cabin, tossed it onto a cargo tricycle, and just like that, it disappeared down the road. Next, it was game time for the cargo bed. And because this beast is basically a Titanic on wheels, the team split up like an elite military squad and tackled it from all angles. The disassembly was a huge win. All the components came off without much trouble, and more importantly, there were no smashed fingers or surprise trips to the ER. But here is the problem. Every component on the truck was either worn to dust or straight up toast, meaning that the restorers had to build a bunch of stuff from scratch. It promises to be fun and challenging. Building a brand new cargo bed frame from the ground up was the first task of this phase, and the team got on with it without hesitating. With the cargo bed frame finally aligned, the team broke out the tape. They measured length and breadth and double-checked everything. Then came the fun part, welding it all together with a mix of techniques and a whole lot of sparks flying. But a few stubborn pieces of metal refused to play nice until one of the craftsmen whipped out his hammer and settled the argument the old-fashioned way. To avoid another man versus metal standoff, they measured the exact alignment of the cargo bed using a high-precision level ruler. The screws and bolts on the edges were also tightened to perfection to further improve the stability. And then it was time for another round of tough hammering and welding. With the top end of the cargo bed frame now sorted, it was time to face the real monster, the twisted chassis and structural wreckage lurking underneath. At this point, the restorers knew they had conquered one of the most difficult phases of this thrilling makeover, but there were more obstacles lying ahead, literally. The cargo bed is almost there, but it's still missing some key pieces. Starting with the most obvious one, the chassis. Quick glance around the truck shows just how fast this project is moving. Just a few moments ago, this Hino truck was hanging hopelessly off an excavator. I actually thought it was headed for the scrapyard. But here it is, looking like an art project in motion thanks to the relentless efforts of this talented group of restorers from PK Amazing Skills. What they've achieved so far is mind-blowing, especially considering that they had limited resources and tools. But with sheer grit and teamwork, they've been able to craft a new standard cargo bed and restore the rusted chassis. With that said, it was time to increase the intensity. Next, they turned their attention to the drive axle. Just as they put the finishing touch on the drive axle, the cabin arrived, fully rebuilt, repainted, and ready to be installed. With the freshly rebuilt cargo bed and cabin now in place, it was time to put some rubber on this thing. But rather than buy a new set of tires, the restorers scoured their inventory for used compounds, carefully selecting ones that still had enough life left to get the job done. You're probably wondering what's going on here. Well, the restorers were basically tossing the truck around to test handling and ensure the compounds are properly aligned. It's not ideal, but it gets the job done. Next, it was time to revive the engine, fine-tune the mechanical systems, and slap a fresh coat of paint on this beast. To be honest, there was no engine to restore, and unfortunately, the restorers didn't have the equipment or technical know-how to build a new engine. So they basically crafted an engine from different prefabricated parts. In other words, they got ready-made truck engine components like pistons, cylinder heads, valves, and merged them all together to make a new powertrain. With the engine now in place, we're pretty much close to the end of this restoration. But before we do the final reveal, let's talk a bit about the history of Hino and how it became a powerhouse in the trucking industry. Hino Motors, as we know it today, was originally founded as the Tokyo Gas Industry Company in 1910. As the name suggests, the primary business of the company was to supply natural gas. But over the years, it shifted gears into different industries and ventures until it eventually moved into commercial truck production in 1942. By the 1960s, Hino had become a global brand known for manufacturing rugged, reliable, and fuel-efficient trucks. And ever since then, the company has continued to drive the future of the trucking industry with groundbreaking advancements in hybrid and electric truck technology. Unfortunately, the restorers at PK Amazing Skills don't have access to such next-level technology, but they've given their absolute best to this project, making the most of the resources they have. And now, it is time to see if their best was enough. The smile on their faces as they watch the engine come alive is worth a million words. Excited by this stunning accomplishment, the restorers refilled the plastic fuel tank, and this once-stricken Hino truck went for the first test drive of its second life. But as it made its way through the garage's narrow path, it was clear the truck was missing a few things. Like they've done throughout the restoration, this team of hardworking restorers unleashed their skills on the truck, and in no time, all of the missing pieces were replaced. Well, except for the grille, but that's forgivable. The fact that they've been able to transform the truck from a junk into what it is right now is outstanding, and to do it under such tight conditions is even more impressive. I guess what I am trying to say is, the missing grille is a little matter that can be overlooked, especially considering how much effort they invested in the restoration. But what do you think? Would you give them a pass for that missing grille? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And as always, there's a whole lineup of videos on the channel, packed with jaw-dropping transformations that will blow your mind. So be sure to check them out.